Imagine waking up, opening your closet, and everything inside feels like it was made for you. Every color, every piece, effortlessly flattering. That's the beauty of a capsule wardrobe. And if you have light skin, building one thoughtfully can take your personal style from basic to breathtaking. In today's video, we'll build the perfect capsule wardrobe for light-skinned women, step by step, color by color, and piece by piece. Make sure to hit the like button if you love timeless fashion, and don't forget to subscribe to Style Sphere for more fashion wisdom without the fluff. Let's start with the foundation color palette. For light-skinned women, whether you're porcelain, ivory, or beige-toned, color is everything. Cool tones often look ethereal on light skin, but warm shades can shine too, if chosen carefully. Here's the secret. Stick to a palette that enhances your natural glow. Choose white, soft gray, navy, and taupe. These work beautifully on light skin without washing you out. Skip stark black as a base. It can look too harsh unless you balance it with makeup or accessories. Instead, opt for charcoal or ink navy, which are gentler alternatives. Next, accent colors. Light skin tones often shine in blush pink, feminine and romantic. Soft lavender, dreamy and unexpected. Powder blue, clean and refreshing. Olive green adds depth without overwhelming. Rust or burnt peach for warmer undertones. These aren't just colors, they're confidence on a hanger. Pause and think. Which of these shades make you feel alive? Comment below with your top 2 favorite shades. I'd love to know. Now let's build the core pieces. These are the silent heroes of your wardrobe. Always reliable, always elegant. 1. The crisp white shirt. Not too bright, not too dull. Choose one with a silky finish or subtle detail, like a soft collar or feminine sleeve. 2. High-waist tailored trousers. In a soft neutral like beige or gray, perfect with flats or heels, and flattering on all body types. 3. The cashmere sweater. Pick a soft tone like blush, icy blue, or dove gray. Light skin glows in gentle contrasts. 4. Classic straight jeans. A mid-wash or light-wash denim looks more harmonious with lighter complexions than dark-wash jeans. Let's not forget the dresses. Every capsule wardrobe needs 2. A day dress in a soft print or color. Think dusty florals, sky blue, or sage green. A dressy evening option in champagne, plum, or navy satin. These pieces should make you feel instantly elegant, with zero effort. If this video is inspiring you to refresh your closet, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps others find this content too. Now onto outerwear. Capsule wardrobes aren't complete without layering options that complement your skin tone. A classic trench coat in camel or light beige. A structured blazer in dove gray, dusty pink, or soft navy. A long-line cardigan in oatmeal or creamy white. Notice the theme? Light tones next to light skin equals instant harmony. Time for shoes and accessories. Keep shoes in nude, ivory, taupe, or soft gold. These elongate the legs and flatter light skin. For accessories, lean into pearls, rose gold jewelry, and soft leather bags in muted tones. Nothing too loud, just soft luxury, whispering elegance. Tell me in the comments, are you a silver girl or a rose gold fan? Your accessories matter more than you think. Finally, the key to capsule wardrobe success is versatility. Every item should work with at least 3 other pieces. Try this rule when shopping or decluttering. Remember, a capsule wardrobe isn't about owning less. It's about owning what works. For you, your skin, your lifestyle, and your glow. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to simplify her style. More timeless fashion tips are coming your way, only on Style Sphere. Until next time, dress simply, glow effortlessly.